Hey there, we are at Saratoga Springs Resort here at Walt Disney World in Florida, and today we are giving you a tour of a one-bedroom villa. This is room 8230 here at Saratoga Springs. It is in the Grandstand section of the resort, so let's do it. Let's check this thing out. We love Saratoga Springs. It is an awesome resort, one of our favorites, honestly. And so here we go, we get right into it. When you first walk in, there are coat hangers there. Love that. This is one of my favorite things about this one bedroom, is that there's a little table and then there's a little mirror right here. So as you are leaving, you automatically have just like a nice little entryway here that you can stop in. As you come through here, you have some nice little horse art, you know, Saratoga Springs designed like horses. And then you walk in here, there's Amelia, and you have a table and a bench. So this table has really seating for 5 right there. This is a one bedroom that sleeps 5, so that kind of works out. And then you do come into here and you have a full kitchen. This isn't just kind of a kitchen. This is a legitimate full kitchen with a full out, that's the wrong side, with a full out refrigerator, full out freezer. You have a microwave, toaster, stove, and oven with trays and stuff for making things that you want to make. And then it also comes with all the cups and all the plates and all the things that you could need, including silverware, and all the spoons and all that stuff. It also has a wash machine, which is awesome. Of course, you do have your full-fledged coffee maker, and they are doing this coffee right now. That is the bags of coffee. That's really nice. I might have to brew some decaf tonight before going to bed. So that's pretty awesome. You do have some other pots and pans in there. And then you have, this is dish soap and things like that for the dishes. As we continue this direction, you can see that we have the full-fledged living room. And of course you have the big, beautiful TV. One nice thing about this is that it does have a fold-out bed, which is really great. We have 5 of us in this room, and one of those 5 is a kid, and so he is going to sleep super well right here, and that's going to be awesome because then you can fold it away, and then every single night you do have just extra space. And for the kid, if they have a device or if you just want to plug stuff in up here on the shelf, which is brilliant, you have plugs and USBs right here. This is a really slick little feature. There are a few things right here that are really awesome. First off, this little tray table folds up. Guess what? You now have a table where you can watch TV. This is awesome. It also has a little bit of storage in there if you want that. And I've got to figure out how to put it away. I think it's pretty easy. Yep. And then you of course have the other queen bed in the room is in this wall. You fold this out, and you would move this table thing, but you fold it out, it sounds terrible. Oh, it's because there's not an in the room. You fold this out, and you do have a full-fledged queen bed right here. That is a legitimate queen bed. It's not just like a fold-out couch. It's a legit mattress, and you have a beautiful painting behind there. One thing I love is here is the fold-out bed. Right here, you do have like a little side table here if you wanted it, but also with plugs and USBs. I wonder, oh, this is just the light for up there, but that's really nice because that is almost like an extra little side table. Plus you have this side table and a phone and all that right there. If you're a golf fan, I love these Saratoga Springs Mickey golfer thingies. I would love to have one of these one day. And then you have a horse racing trophy with old Mo for that. I'll show you our view. We have a balcony. Every single room here at Saratoga Springs has a balcony. I always struggle to get these doors open. It does open, that's good. And when you step out here, you have a nice chair and another chair and a little table. So you can sit out here and drink your coffee. We have a nice little view through the trees and of the pool. The hurricane just came through, so you can kind of see some debris on the ground So that's kind of sad. But I love that you can hear the music from the pool. This is like a really good feel right here. I love this vibe a lot. So really pleased with this. One thing is, you don't really have much privacy from other people if they are also on their balcony. All right, so coming from the balcony, we come back through here. And one thing that we are gonna notice is you will see a closet right here. What does this closet have? A washer and a dryer. This is incredible. It has a laundry thing and some laundry detergent as well. That is a huge deal if you're here on vacation for any amount of time at all. We will definitely be using that. Then you have in here, you do have the shower. And you will notice with the shower, it's a pretty big shower, honestly. Let's see here. I keep on pulling the wrong side of the doors. It's really pretty in here. You kind of have an Epcot-esque stuff. And then you have 2 shower heads, and it is the things on the side. But I love how this is here, so you can kind of turn it on and go about your business. That was well thought out there. This is where the toilet is. So you have your sink here. That's just a single vanity. Then you have a toilet right here. It has the pictures of leaves. Don't understand that, but that is the spot for the toilet. As we come into the master, before we get in there, let's check out this bathroom. If you open this, guess what? You get to the shower. We're not gonna go back in there. But if you get to this bathroom, hello, you have another vanity. This one has way more space. You do have an incredible bathtub here as well. And that is just a soaking tub. It's not like it is a jetted tub, but still that is awesome right there. You have a nice little makeup mirror and another full mirror here, which is great. And then you have a full closet here. We have all our bags in here right now, including some golf clubs, but that's where your extra pillow and blanket are for the other room. Alrighty, so we're gonna make our way into the master. I do love how they have these lights that you can actually change the brightness of, which is pretty exciting. This is a beautiful, beautiful master bedroom. I would love to have this in my house. Of course, you have your side tables with the Bible, and these lamps are really pretty. I love them. Of course, you have your plugs and USBs right there. That is a huge benefit. Boy, that bed is beautiful with the beautiful art over it. Of course, you have another TV in here, and you have cabinets and drawers to put your clothes in, and then more shelves there. So lots of storage here. And of course, over here you have a phone, and you also have more plugs and USBs. And so that is an exciting thing there. And then you have this big window. So you have the same view out this window as the balcony. And so that is really nice. And of course, you have a chair here that you can sit in if you just want to sit in your room, which is awesome. Well, that'll do it of our room tour here in a 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. If you need help booking this room, I would love to help you book it, and I would love to help you make requests to get this room specifically because it is glorious, close to the lobby, all those things. Send me an email at ben@keystoDreamTravel.com. I would love to help you plan out your next vacation. I am a certified travel planner, and so I can work with you on that to give you the best vacation you could possibly need. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, that would mean so much, and we'll see you next time.